Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. So actually, I used to have this exact same problem just a couple of minutes ago. So what I did was, let me open the Facebook application here. So when you open the Facebook application, just tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. And now I'm just going to scroll down here and tap on this help and support. And then you have to tap on this report a problem, and now tap on this report a problem again. Simply tap on this include, and then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to tap on this marketplace, and now actually you have to write something like this: I am having issues with my marketplace not loading. I need this to be fixed for my account. And now you have to click on this send in the upper right corner. Now what you are going to do is you have to wait like a couple of minutes and then go back into your marketplace, and hopefully it's going to work for you. If it still does not work for you, well then what you can do is try to scroll your phone like this and select aeroplane mode, then turn aeroplane mode off again and see if that actually has fixed it, because what happened is that you will restore your internet connection by doing this basically. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.